Alright, so it's a rainy day here in Jersey. So I decided to tackle an issue I've been having with my my knob for my AC. I got my AC recharged by Pedro, but my knob doesn't work right. So let me show you what that looks like. Alright, so when you turn on your car, right? And you do this, you're nothing, 2, nothing, 3, nothing, 4, up. 3, 2, 1, nothing. And allegedly, this is the part that fixes it, this resistor. So let's go ahead and get to cracking. All right, so you need a 7 for these, and 9 for these. There we go, it's all cleaned up. So let's get these off now. This cover off, I'll wipe that down. And then now to take off the resistor, which is down here in the middle. This is the blue. Okay. So this is the resistor and it goes right there in the middle. So let's compare it to the new one. So definitely looks stretched and expanded. So let's hope that that's what the case is. So all right, so the new one is in there. As you can see, you gotta level it with the blades there. All right, now for the moment of truth. Keep in mind that you're gonna hear the compressor running because she's aired out right now. But let's go ahead and test this. All right, so 0, 1, 2. That's working. 3, working. 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, here we go. So as you saw, this is all assembled now. The blower is working. Resolved my issue. And yeah, don't forget, don't go too hard on these. Yeah, pretty much it, bro. Problem is